As you can see, the vehicle is running. There's no indicator lights on the dash. The AC is on. Hopefully you can hear the fan running. The blue light is on. Blue light is off. Blue light is on. AC is running. I'll put the phone down here so you can hear the fan running. Okay, I took this out on a country road because we're not supposed to be using cell phones as we drive. It's against the law here in Illinois, but here we go. So, it is on a country road, so it might be just a little bumpy. I apologize. You can hear it shifting through all the gears. Doing about 60 miles an hour. I'll show you the speedo. Now we're doing 65. I'm back in the city limits. I'm gonna do a brake test for you real quick. Try to get it up to about 30-40 miles an hour. Gonna watch the steering. You can see there's no shifting in it. And we also stop in a straight line. And I got it up to about 40. I'm gonna pull it here a little farther, and then I'm gonna do a reverse for you. I gotta wait. I got a FS truck coming in behind me. Alright, he's gone now, so back up. You can see the high beam is on, high beam is off, turn signal there, turn signal there. Drove it through the country, back through town. I've been driving it for about 10 minutes or so. Temperature gauge is holding just perfect. And no lights on the dash, which is great. Never has been since we had it, so I'm going to pause it and get my guy to help me show you all the lights on the outside. That way he can work the blinkers and reverse lights and everything else. Alright, go ahead and turn the headlights on. Bright lights. There you go. And then turn signal. Other turn signal. Horn. I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty bright out here. The other turn signal. Okay. Brake lights. Reverse. Put in reverse. Okay. Let's see. And so got the lights on. Okay. And you can see the marker lights on top are working as well. As you can see there, compressor is working. Do another walk around on it for you. And that should be it. If you have anything else, let me know. The only thing I've noticed was the driver's side high beam is not working. I will try to get a headlight for that. Otherwise, everything else is working. The AC, all the lights, the indicator lights up on top are working. Brake lights, tail lights, turn signals, reverse, everything is working. Drives smooth down the road, goes forward, goes reverse, and everything else. So if you need anything else, just let me know. Thank you.